Welcome back, C3 family. If you're not C3, it's as easy as clicking that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. And today we're going to be showing you how to transfer USDT off of Coinbase and how to actually purchase it. We loaded our Coinbase with some US dollars, so we'll show you how to do that. And then we're also going to be doing a giveaway, so we're going to be announcing that in our next video tomorrow on eCommie. So stay tuned for that. So with that being said, this is not financial advice. We appreciate you guys tuning in. So let's get started. So let's jump over here to Coinbase. And by default, they put you on the Matic BTC chart. So what we're going to do is go over here to USD because that's what we have. And then we're going to click the USDT. It's right on top. So what we're going to do is come down here and look at the price we're at. Market price is about 0095, so that seems pretty good to us. So we're just going to hit 009, press max, and for only 50 cents for this trade. So that's pretty cheap. Coinbase is great because there's zero on-ramping fees. If you haven't on-ramped any fiat onto Coinbase, you can click a video right above. That'll show you how to do that. It's really easy, and we have referral links in the description below as well if you need to sign up for Coinbase. So we're gonna place a buy order, and we have an open order. So we're gonna wait for this to fill, and then as soon as that fills, we're gonna go right over here to our portfolio and transfer that out to a USDT address. So we're going to wait for this order to fill and we'll tune back in. Alright guys, and we're back. It looked like our order filled right down here. We had a 104.1 USDT filled right here. Here's our price, here's our fee, which it showed us before. This is open orders, and here's the fill. So it took 7 minutes to fill that order. So what we're going to do is go over to our portfolio, and we are going to withdraw that. So we'll come over here to withdraw, we'll go to tether, we'll go to crypto address because we're going to be sending it to another exchange, and we're going to paste our address there, and then we recommend double checking, triple checking that address. So we're going to copy it, paste it again, double check. Alright, that's the right address. We're going to go max. Here's our network fee, and we use 35 confirmation, so let's send it. Looks like they're going to send us a two-step verification code. Alright, so once you receive that text message, enter it right here, 7-digit number, and click withdraw, and this is going to start the process. So this is started. It'll take 35 network confirmations, and then your money will be sent over to your desired location. So thank you guys for tuning in. Real quick recap on how to send Coinbase for USDT from Coinbase to another exchange. This will help you diversify your portfolio and get those little hidden alts that we're going to be talking about in the next few videos. So we appreciate you guys tuning in. We're at over 106 subscribers. We're going to be announcing a really cool giveaway worth about $75. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next one.